Hello viewers, Microsoft has released new out-of-box experience OOBE updates. These include KB5065847 for Windows 11 version 24H2, KB5065848 for Windows Server 2025, and KB5065813 for Windows 11 version 22H2 and 23H2. I am making this quick video to let you know in the case you are setting up a new device. The OOBE is the setup process you go through during a fresh installation of Windows 11. Here what Microsoft says. This update improves the OOBE process. It only applies to the Windows OOBE setup and is available only when OOBE updates are installed. This is not something you will get as a regular monthly update if Windows 11 is already installed. Unlike normal updates or security patches, these OOBE updates don't come with details change logs. Microsoft does not share much about them. Instead, they work in the background to make sure your device gets the latest security patches, drivers and bug fixes while you are setting up Windows. Microsoft also says these updates are required, so you cannot skip them during OOBE. Another benefit is that if a newer version of Windows 11 is available, it can be installed during the final stage of setup. That means a new PC might boot up already running the latest version, saving you from manually checking for updates right after installation. This can be good or bad depending on your situation. Maybe you don't want to newest version because of potential issues, or it could save your time by finishing update before Windows even starts for the first time. One more thing to note, the update install automatically during setup if the device is connected to the internet. The installation speed will depend on your hardware and internet performance. So those 3 OOBE updates are now available, and I just wanted to keep you informed. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.